Welcome guys to ELT Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to make a recipe video. Remember that you can use this video as a guide to make your own class project. Throughout the video, you will see some headers. They are important tips that you need to remember when making your own video. Pay attention to them. Tell the audience what you will present in the video.
Let's start with our recipe. Today we will learn how to make a strawberry cheesecake. This is a delicious and classic recipe.
First, I will introduce ingredients and materials. Then, I will mention the procedure while I do it by myself, and finally, I will show you how the final dish looks like. Audience, the ingredients you need to make the recipe. You can display the names on the screen so it is easy to understand for the audience.
The ingredients that we will need to make a strawberry cheesecake are 2 packs of crackers, half a cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 500 grams of cream cheese, 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1 pound of strawberry, and 1/4 of sugar.
Use words such as first, then, next, later, after that, or finally. Verbs relating to cooking: mix, place, blend, mash.
First, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius degrees. To make the crust, start by crushing the crackers. You can use a food grinder or do it manually. Crush until you have only crumbs. Then, add the melted butter or margarine. Next, press the crust onto bottom and sides of the recipient. After that, freeze it until our filling is prepared.
It is important to show the procedure step by step and explain each in detail.
Next, we're going to make the filling. Start, mix the cream cheese, the granulated sugar, and the vanilla. Blend until it is smooth and creamy. Following, add the eggs to the cream cheese mixture. Blend just until all the ingredients are incorporated. Later, pour the filling into the crust. Carefully place the cheesecake into the preheated oven. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes at 180 Celsius degrees. Bake until the top of the cheesecake turns golden. Finally, once cool, put it in the fridge and let it freeze for 4 hours. Afterward, to make the topping, start by placing the strawberries, the sugar, and water into a saucepan. After that, heat on medium for about 5 minutes until the sauce begins to thicken. Once thick enough, remove the mix from the heat. Lastly, once cool, you can put it on top of the cheesecake when it's ready to serve.
Remember to show the final product and say goodbye.
This is the strawberry cheesecake ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thank you guys for watching this ELT tutorial. I hope it brings you insights into how to make a video presenting the procedure of a recipe. Remember that you can go back and forward in case you miss a detail. The headers are there for you to pay attention to important aspects your video might need to have. Do not forget to go and check our ELT tutorial on how to edit a video. There, we will recommend you an easy editing program and we will briefly explain how you can use it in your project. Additionally, you can download our 5 useful tips PDF to create a good quality video. It is available in the ELTpedia webpage. There is one PDF with the steps taught in this video as well. We hope it helps with your project. See you in another opportunity. Bye!